The Canon R6 Mark III is here, and it's packed with features that every filmmaker and photographer will love. In this video, Canon has really stepped up with the R6 Mark III. In body image stabilizer up to 8.5 stops, this mirrorless beast comes with a full-frame sensor, incredible autofocus, and features that make shooting both photos and videos a smooth, seamless experience. But what really sets it apart? Let's take a closer look. For photographers, the R6 Mark III offers a 24.2 MP full-frame sensor with amazing low-light performance. That means even in dim environments, your shots will stay clean and detailed. The autofocus system is next level, with 1053 autofocus points and face-eye detection that works for both humans and animals. You'll rarely miss the perfect moment. And with continuous shooting at up to 12 frames per second using the mechanical shutter, and 20 frames per second electronically, fast action shots are easier than ever. Asterisk. Now let's talk video, and this is where the Canon R6 Mark III truly shines. It can shoot 4K up to 60 frames per second, with 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording, giving you professional-grade footage straight out of the camera. It also has incredible in-body image stabilization, which makes handheld shooting smooth and cinematic, even if you're moving or running. Whether you're filming fast action, vlogs, or cinematic sequences, this camera handles it all beautifully. Asterisk. And the best part? You don't have to be a professional to get professional-looking results. The Canon R6 Mark III is designed to be intuitive, from its touchscreen controls to customizable buttons, your shooting style, and lets you focus on capturing the moment instead of fiddling with settings. Plus, the dual card slots mean you can shoot worry-free, knowing your footage and photos are safely backed up in real time. Whether it's a high-speed action scene, a beautiful landscape, or an intimate portrait, this camera makes every shot feel effortless. Asterisk. In my tests, whether I was shooting in bright daylight, low-light interiors, or fast-moving subjects, the R6 Mark III consistently delivered stunning results. The colors are vibrant yet natural, the details are sharp, and the autofocus rarely misses a beat. And when it comes to video, the camera really shines. Smooth stabilization, cinematic slow motion, and the ability to record in 10-bit 4:2:2 gives you professional-grade footage straight out of the camera. Honestly, it feels like Canon built this camera for creators who want both power and simplicity in one package. Asterisk. But don't just take my word for it, let's dive into some real-world shooting tests. I took the Canon R6 Mark III out in different environments: bright sunlight, low-light rooms, and fast-moving action scenes. And every time, it handled the situation flawlessly. From capturing crisp, detailed photos to smooth, cinematic videos, this camera adapts to whatever you throw at it. The combination of its fast autofocus, in-body stabilization, and intuitive DJ just gave us a dust bath. Man, look at that. I accidentally got a hold of the corner a little hard and buried the boys. I feel a little bad about it, but you hopefully the shoot panned out sick. The light was perfect, the dirt flying everywhere, and that slow-motion replay is probably going to look insane. That's honestly the kind of moment you can't plan. It just happens when everything lines up at the right time. If the footage came out the way I think it did, this might actually be one of the craziest shots of the day. Sometimes you've got to push it a little to get that cinematic magic, and I think we just captured exactly that. Moments like this are why we do what we do. You can plan angles, settings, and lighting all you want, but the real magic happens when everything comes together naturally: the action, the timing, the environment, and the energy of the crew. That dust flying through the air, the intensity of the movement, and the raw feel of the shot, that's the kind of footage that turns a good video into an unforgettable one. And honestly, this is what filmmaking is all about: taking risks, trusting your instincts, and committing to the shot. Sometimes you miss, sometimes you nail it, but when you get it right, it's completely worth it. So if that clip looks as insane on the monitor as it felt in real life, you already know this sequence is going to hit different in the final edit. Stay tuned, because we're just getting started, and trust me, it only gets better from here. Because we're just getting started, and trust me, it only gets better from here. The next shots we have planned are on a whole different level, and if everything goes the way we're imagining it, this is going to turn into something seriously special. We're pushing the limits, testing the gear, and chasing those moments that most people would miss. So stick around, because you're about to see how this all comes together, from the chaos behind the scenes to the final polished shots on screen. And if you're into filmmaking, cameras, or just love watching crazy action unfold in real time, you're definitely in the right place. You're definitely in the right place. Because on this channel, we don't just show the final results, we take you behind the scenes, break down the process, and show you exactly what it takes to capture shots like these. From setting up the gear to dialing in the perfect settings, every step matters, and today you're going to see it all unfold in real time. We've got some insane angles coming up, a few risky moves planned, and hopefully some shots that'll make you rewind just to watch them again. So make sure you stay till the end, because the best moments are still ahead, and you won't want to miss what's coming next. You won't want to miss what's coming next. But before we jump into the next sequence, take a second to appreciate how much effort actually goes into a single shot like this. It's not just pressing record, it's timing, coordination, camera control, and sometimes a little bit of luck all working together. Right now we're setting up for another attempt, this time pushing things even further to see if we can top the last shot. The energy on set is high, everyone's locked in, and you can feel that something crazy is about to happen. Cameras are rolling, positions are set, and all that's left is to send it. You can feel the silence right before the action, that split second where everything slows down and everyone's holding their breath. Then suddenly, boom. Pure chaos, dust flying, engines roaring, and the shot unfolding exactly the way we imagined it. This is the moment we wait for, the moment where preparation meets execution. And if that looked wild in real life, just wait until you see how it looks through the lens. And if that looked wild in real life, just wait until you see how it looks through the lens. Because sometimes the camera doesn't just capture the action, it makes it legendary. Roll that footage. Look at that. The timing, the precision, the dust hanging in the air like a scene straight out of a movie. Every frame tells a story. You can see the power, the control, and the split-second decisions that made this shot possible. This right here is why we chase these moments. Because when it all comes together, it's not just a clip, it's a visual experience. Watch closely, notice how everything lines up perfectly. The movement, the angle, the impact, it's all happening in perfect sync. And honestly, this might be one of those shots that people rewind over and over again just to see how it happened. And honestly, those are the moments every creator lives for, the ones that make all the planning, all the retries, and all the effort completely worth it. The Canon R6 Mark III can do. Versatile and powerful this camera really is. From fast action to cinematic shots.